DroneTV, voice of drone technology, GIS and AI technologies. Introducing Manpreet Sahanpal, Business Head Defense at SPH Aviation.
Good morning, I'm Prerna Jadhav from DroneTV, bringing all the live coverage of this exciting event that is Drone Expo 2025 on our platform that is DroneTV. So could you please introduce yourself and tell what's your role in your company?
Hi, I'm Lieutenant Commander Manpreet. I'm a retired naval officer, presently working with SPH Aviation, which is an associated company of ABPL International.
Okay.
So we are based in Gurugram. We are a drone manufacturing company, and also we have a business in skilling and development.
Okay.
So I am right now looking after the defense business. I'm the business head, and the whole defense vertical where we are manufacturing drones. So that is what been looked after by me.
So basically, you are a manufacturer company.
Yeah, we have total R&D and manufacturing is done by us total. So we have one R&D facility and drone manufacturing facility, which is around 12,000 square feet in Gurugram. So we have 14,000 square feet facility, which is coming up, which is there in Bihar, and a drone future tech park, which is coming up in Hisar, which was recently inaugurated by CM himself, Shri Naib Singh Saini ji, which is there in Haryana, Hisar. So that is something which is coming up a very large scale. The idea of bringing this facility is that we are calling upon all the drone manufacturers, drone component manufacturers, and one of the qualitative requirement to be a part of this future tech is that all these component manufacturers are there. There has to be indigenously developed components. So the idea to get this future tech park is that since all the we are trying to build an ecosystem
for all the
companies. There'll be a knowledge sharing. Then it will also reduce the logistics costs and supply chain efforts, and which will over the period of time, which will come up reduce the costing of the drone.
Yeah, which will change the perspective of seeing the technology.
Exactly. So what is happening right now in the drone industry? We do have a lot of people who are manufacturing there. We are spread across all over the nation. But that kind of a knowledge sharing or the presence is not available across the companies.
Like the exposure is not there.
Yes, so somebody is sitting in the southern India, somebody is there in the west side, we are there in the northern side. So to build, a drone ecosystem of India, so we need to join hands and build technology together. So as a nation, we develop.
So like basically networking all the companies
exactly.
at one platform.
Yes, right.
Like, will you please explain what are the different types of drones and the products you have?
So right now under SPH Aviation banner, the AVPL is right now making agricultural drones. Under the SPH Aviation, we are just making and manufacturing the drones for the Indian Armed Forces and the Homeland Securities. So the major categories which we are right now developing is the kamikaze drones. So we have both FPVs of different sizes and also fixed wing kamikazes, which can fly in autonomous regime and can do a precision strike with the flight coordinates given through the ground control station, which was designed by us. The second category is the surveillance drone. And in the surveillance drone, we have multi-copters and also fixed wing VTOLs that we have been manufacturing. The third category is the logistic drones. So these are the logistic drones of around starting from 10 kg to up to 40 kgs, which we are already deployed some capability demonstrations at high altitudes in Ladakh also. So we are also right now manufacturing the fiber optic drones. You must be aware that right now it's a challenge which for the armed forces when any drone which is flying in a jamming kind of range. So fiber optic drones does not have any transmitting or receiving this device. So all the transmission is happening through a physical fiber optic cable. So that is also right now we are working on. And the next set of drones which we are working on is the tethered drones and the long range surveillance and kamikaze drones, which has the capability of almost 100 to 200 kilometers of range and can operate in a GNSS denied environment and would be anti-jamming.
Like as I can see the names, like how you all came with the unique names it has.
So the name came, with the idea. So my CEO is Lieutenant General R.K. Anand. And we were having an interaction with him, and we were thinking about how the name should come. So he has served in the armed forces for almost 40 years, and that somehow during the interaction one name came out, and he was giving. But that was the start area, and we sat and we just gave a thought that what kind of a name should be, and our idea was to give some some kind of a name which, a Hindi-based kind of a thing. That is the idea came about. And
Which can be memorized.
yes, this can be easily. So the name itself, will give you the category. Like for example, Vahak is the name which something which carries. So it is a logistic drone similar to Balwan and Saksham. So this is something, that is how, my
It
things
describes by
came
the
out.
name, yeah.
So you can, by the name itself, you can get to know what is the purpose of the drone.
Yeah. Could you please explain what this type of drone is and what is the use of it?
Right. So this is a very smaller size kamikaze bird drone.
I'll just...
So this is a very small size of kamikaze drone, which which is a FPV drone.
Okay.
And this is used for the attack purposes. This is expendable drone. Once it is launched to a coordinates, it will carry a payload of around 200 to 500 grams of explosive.
Okay.
And once it has been a target is given to it, it will just go and blast.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. So this you must be seeing some the components or white components is this here. So this is the bird which we have designed for a particular prototyping which we are doing right now. We have already completed the prototype. It is to be coming in the production facility now. So what this hook which you are seeing right now. So this drone is a baby drone.
Okay.
So we have a bigger drone, mothership drone, and these 4 type of baby drones are attached to the mothership drones. So this has a range of say around 5 kilometers, and so I have an attack capability up to 5 kilometers only. So what my mother drone will do, it will have a range of say around 15 kilometers, and I can extend extend my range. So once the coordinates are given to the mothership drone, so it will go to that particular targeted area. And the coordinates will be given to the smaller FPV drones which are carrying the explosive, and they'll go and do the coordinated
So it will
strikes.
detach and target.
It will detach so this will interact with the mothership drone, and when the coordinates are given from the mothership to the baby drones, it will fly in a very autonomous regime and cannot be jammed, and will go and strike the coordinate which is given by the mothership.
That's great.
And so through this you can do either one drone you can send as per the size of the hostility which is there, or you can send all the 4 drones at a time. Yeah.
That's a great idea. And like how your products are different from other companies which are selling the same type of drones or like other manufacturers.
So we have collaborations with IIT Kanpur and IIT Ropar. And it's been we have already developed one communication system with IIT Kanpur, where we are going right now patent for that. So our idea is we have been developing and manufacturing the drones. The first idea is what we have followed is that all our drones would be indigenous. Either we don't make it, we make it, that would be 100% indigenous. That is the first criteria that has been set by the higher leadership of the company. The second thing is the idea of when we are manufacturing these drones, we are customizing as per the requirement of the Indian Armed Forces.
Okay.
So, being I am from the Armed Forces background, and there is also leadership in the company where we have, officers from various services across India. So, with their experience and with our continuous interactions with the Armed Forces, we seek their requirement and we try to develop the product according to their specifications and end use.
Yeah.
As I mentioned, we have the collaboration also. The products we have already developed to develop the next gen products and the communication systems. We have joined hands with IIT Ropar and IIT Kanpur. We are also working on the products which will be very soon will be coming up in the market, will be launched.
Yeah. And the last question is like, have your drones been used in real time with the Defense Ministry?
Exactly. Yes. Exactly.
Like on which event, like particular operation or like?
Okay, so the defense vision, as I mentioned, we started the defense it's been 6 months now, and we have delivered almost around 50 surveillance drones to the army, that is 10 Dogras, and we have also given training drones and FPV drones to various regiments across India. So yes, they have been using it for various events like their internal, operational reasons and internal trainings. So that is what, and we have got a lot of appreciation from the armed forces. We have got demi-official letters and appreciation letters from the commanding officers where we have delivered other drones.
That's great. And like, where do you see your company like after 2-3 years?
Yeah, I would like to see my company as a market leader, especially in the defense. And I wish I being the armed forces, I've lived that life. So I want my aim and my company's aim to give a product to the Indian Armed Forces which solves a purpose and strengthen their capabilities in the combat.
That's a great answer. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching Drone TV, your gateway to the latest in drone technology, GIS innovations, and AI-driven solutions. To partner with us or promote your company on Drone TV, visit www.dronetv.in. Contact us at +917 5201 23555.